Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about removing the duplicates from a column in Excel. Why is it important? It's important because there are many times the columns like this column second, column B, where we have east, central, west regions repeated all over again, rows by rows. But we know that there are only three values being repeated in the entirety of the column. So when we need to figure out, when we're exploring the data, like how many unique values are there in each column, we first need to remove duplicates to understand the unique values in a column. There are two ways to remove duplicates. One is the classical approach, which I'll discuss in this first tab, and another is a new update recently patched out by Microsoft. It's called the unique function, which makes our job easier and one step less than the classical method. With that, let's dive into it. So, if I look at the region column in the sales order data set, I'll add the link below. It's a freely available data set online. Please check it out. In the region set, if I filter, we see that the regions are central, east, and west. But I have 47 rows of which, are repeated of central, east, and west. I only want these three values pasted in three cells in a column. So what I'll do is, in the classical approach, I'll copy paste the column. I'll paste it in column J, right? And then I'll select the whole column J and I'll go to data, and there's an option for remove duplicates. I'll click on this. It'll ask me which columns do you want to select. I want to select column J, and I'll press OK. It will tell me that 43 duplicate values were found, only 4 unique values remain. 4 meaning 1 blank as well, because we took the column from the top. So now we have east, central, and west, and this is called region. Similarly, if I want to do it for rep, what is the name of the rep, right? I'll copy the entire column, paste it in column K, and I'll do the remove duplicates option again. I want to continue with the current selection. Click on remove duplicates. Which column? I want to do it on column K. OK. 32 duplicate values found, 12 values remain. So these are the 12 reps who are repeated in this data set. Now, if we keep using the mouse every time, we'll never become an Excel power user. We want to make sure that our hands move as fast as we speak or as fast as we think. For that, we need to use shortcuts. The shortcut to use for remove duplicates is Alt plus A plus M, Alt AM. You'll use it 5 to 6 times, you'll remember it 5 to 6 times, and then it will come to you intuitively, right? So now if I want to do the same thing for pencil, I'll copy the entire set item, Alt AM, continue with current selection, OK, and boom. These 6 items are unique. Similarly, if I want to do it for unit costs, although we don't really want to know what kind of unit costs are there, I'll just copy paste it in column M, Alt AM, continue with current selection, OK. Only 6 duplicate values found and 37 unique remain. It's a number. We don't really remove duplicates from a number category. If you want to do it for a categorical column where we have 4 to 5 or names or regions, this is where remove duplicates is used the most. Now, as I mentioned, this is the old classical approach. You have to take another step. You have to paste it first, then press Alt AM to go to remove duplicates, and then it works out, right? But now Microsoft has really simplified it if you follow the Microsoft 365 software on your end. If you have purchased a laptop any past 2 to 3 years, you must have this function. If not, go check it out how to get that function. And if you don't have that function, you can still go the old classical method, which hardly takes 4 to 5 seconds more, right? Now moving on to the unique function, this practically does the exact same thing. What we will do is equal to unique, and in the array I just need to paste this entire B column. Once I do that, boom, I have the same output. And if I do unique again for rep, I have unique reps. Unique item, I have the unique pencils. And last but not the least, we'll do it for unit costs as well, but as we mentioned, we don't really do it for numbers, as numbers can have a lot of categories, and we have the same. And if you'll compare both the tabs, the answer will be exactly the same. This just makes us write one formula. The classical approach makes us paste it into another formula, and then to go to the ribbon and press remove duplicates. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Cheers.